What's up, everybody? This is Adryenn Ashley today, and I am going to give you some hacks that are actually going to make your small business so much more profitable, easier, and more productive. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is how much are you paying for those ads? So a little backstory, one of my clients was a kitchen and bath remodeler, and she was paying $30 a click, kind of the going rate when you're talking about closing a sale for $100,000 to $150,000. Now she's top end luxury, but the problem was her website had no SEO, no organic search, no traffic other than what she paid for. Now, to me, that's a recipe to pretty much be out of business the minute you can't pay to keep in business. And with the way that things are going in the economy, we want to make sure that no matter what, that traffic and those leads keep coming. So the first thing you want to do, a website audit. Cool new tool, website audit from Appsumo. One of the reasons why I love Appsumo is I don't like paying every single month. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I buy it, I use it for a little bit, I stop, then I go back and I use it some more, but I got lifetime deals. That's what we're talking about today, lifetime deals. So website audit, first tool that you are going to use. It is going to show you exactly where you're missing things, your metadata, where your page rank could be improved, and how you can actually dominate keywords for your industry. This is really, really critical. Once we did the SEO on my former client, we got her 100 leads a month instead of 10 for $30,000. And those 100 leads cost her $500 in ads. So $30,000 in ads to $500 in ads. How? SEO. So if you're not doing it, I know you keep hearing about it, but if you're not doing it, you need to. Next tool, once you get that traffic to your website, what are you going to do with them? Well, if you don't have a lead magnet already and you don't have a calendar booking system, you've heard of Calendly, the upgraded one costs a monthly fee, or you can use the Appsumo version called TidyCal. All of these links are down in the description. TidyCal, pay for it once. It is $29 for a lifetime. You are going to love it. It integrates with your Google Calendar, with your Outlook, with everything. So that is another thing you must have on your website. But what about all those visitors who go and they look around and they don't do anything? They don't opt in, they don't buy, they don't click to call, but they've been all over your website for 10 minutes, right? Once you have your analytics done and you know what your SEO is, then you're going to really understand who are the buyers. You're going to be able to look at the people who did convert and see what their behavior was, right? So I own yelp-sucks.com. Hello, I'm the one who answers the phone at 2:00 in the morning when y'all are having a hard time. So I'm not on Yelp because Yelp doesn't answer the phone. I answer the phone. Don't call me at 2 a.m. But one of the biggest things that we did was we instituted years ago, and we've been doing it for years, but we've been paying monthly fees. So now we don't have to. Now you institute that same tracking code. And every time someone comes to your website, when it's a business, it will show you who they are, what their phone number is, what their website is, and their IP address, and also how many pages they looked at. So for yelp-sucks.com, I know when someone comes to my website and they're there for more than 2 minutes and they're there for more than 10 pages, that's definitely somebody who's going to convert. So looking at those tracking numbers, you can actually figure out and prioritize who you're going to follow up with and where you're going to spend those resources of your time and your effort. So happier leads, love, love, love happier leads. Got a couple more for you. Already said TidyCal. Now, if you happen to have a business that is something where other people could refer you business and you have enough profit margin in there where you can pay an affiliate referral, there are a lot of different platforms out there. And most of those platforms, the really good ones, they charge you a monthly fee. And sometimes it's $100, sometimes it's $200, sometimes it's $49. Whatever it is, it's an ongoing monthly fee. And it's kind of hard when you invest all the time to set up the affiliate program. You need to know how much you're going to pay them. You want to be able to give them some marketing things like banners or ad copy or email templates and things like that. Partnero, also available on Appsumo, lets you set it up, have it, and you have it. It is a lifetime deal. This is one of the things that's going to generate you so much more money because you're borrowing other people's networks, you're borrowing other people's audience. And whether you're an accountant or a kitchen remodeler or a restaurant, there is something to be said for having an affiliate program and incentivizing people to rave about you. So those are my top 4 for small business and for brick and mortar. I do have one extra recommendation, and it's called Kermata. Now, for those of you who are like me, if you looked at my Chrome right now, you would see that there's 5 windows and each window has about 40 tabs open. It's really hard to keep track of everything. And this particular tool allows you to actually separate it out. So I'm usually working on 3 or 4 different client projects at a time, but how do I keep track of time and billing and all of these different things, because I don't know what I'm doing and when, and this actually keeps track of what you're doing and for who and why, and it's fabulous. So if you are a service provider, I think that would be helpful. If you just have ADHD and you need better tab management, it's also helpful. So like I said, all the links in the description, and I will see you all again next time.